This is a soundbar. It's the model number Solo 5. It wasn't working. Took the motherboard out. Watched the video. And this video, I'll link it. But it's the exact same problem I'm having here. He doesn't show the thermal imager, so I'm going to do that and get my thermal imager booted up, which takes a couple seconds, so I'm going to pause it. In his video, it's U602. Let's see if I can zoom in here, which is right there. That component right there. This is my finger, right where my finger is. I'm going to plug it in, and we're going to look at it. So it's plugged in, and already you can see a hot spot, right? See where my finger's at? It's that same chip. I'm going to have to order that part. I'm going to try to replace it. I've never replaced anything that small before. That right there is the smallest. It's about the smallest component that I've replaced so far. So it's going to be a challenge.